So this is gonna be like a normal video. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this Thursdays and Sundays. Most of the time when life isn't just giving it to you one after another, but we're here and that's what counts. Today we're going to be doing my eyeshadow. I already have most of my face on. I already primed my eyes with the Beauty Crop Stuck On You eyeshadow primer. I love this thing. And it's not just because I got it in my Ipsy. I really do enjoy it. And we're going to be doing my Too Faced Natural Matte. If I can open it. This thing is like the cutest looking little bubbly, I mean adorbs. Like even the little clasp is a heart. But we are just difficult to open. And it's a magnet too, so you wouldn't think. No, apparently I need to eat my vegetables. But this is what we have to work with today. And I'm just going to go in and, oh my god, I love how they always smell so sweet. I don't want to say it's annoying because it's adorable, but I'm just like, oh, you would. And then it makes me like so happy. But yeah, these are the colors we're going to be using today. I do not have a plan per usual. So we're gonna go in and make some things happen. Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be fun. Yeah. I love how this smells. Like, have you smelled a lot of their palettes? Even I think my contour palette smells like chocolate. It's like, I'm not a huge fan of chocolate, but it's nice. Also, all mattes, which is really exciting. I'm really happy to be working with it. I don't know if you could tell by the name Natural Matte, but they are all matte. And I love that. So really anything I do today, whether it's like perfect or it's blah, it's gonna look good. Thank you. Let's dive in. Where's my puffy, poofy, fluffy brush? This one. Okay. What should we do? I'm gonna come in with Lace Teddy just all over. This is hard. They're all so pretty. I just want to use them all. I'm gonna come in with a little bit of Less Is More. Cute. And I want to do, goodness, what do I want? I'm gonna come in with my Less Is More and do it just on the outside here. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Then I want to come in with a little bit of cleavage. Same brush. Tappa, 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 tappa. And I'm just going to deepen the outer V and get into that crease right here and kind of create a little line on the end too. Like, bad me wants to just come in with Risky Biz and risk it all for this outer V and deepen it. But like, smart me is like, don't do that. So let's move to a light real quick so I can refocus. I'm gonna come in with, have I done All Natural? I'm going to do a little bit of Nude Goals here in my corner, inner corner, just a little bit, and work it through while blend it, you know. Ooh, that just brightened everything up. And I like to keep close to my lash lines, my upper and my lower, for about like a third of the way in. Yeah. And then we're gonna come back to let's do my fluffy blendery brush, and I want to take Au Naturel and just splash it in the middle a bit to help blend out my light and my dark. There we go. And it's not a ton, you're just using that as your middle tone to blend. Well, I am. I don't know what you're gonna do. I mean, you can go full on bright, super dark, whatever makes you happy. This palette makes me happy. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So then what I also want to do is take a little Au Naturel and bring it along my lower lash line, just in the middle as well. And it's not perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect. So I'm going to take it in the middle. And then, real quick, because I still got that dark side in me. So this palette has a lot of pigment to it. I don't want to come in with Risky Biz, even though I really want to use Risky Biz. I'm going to come in with Hookup and just do the tiniest amount here on my lower lash on the corner, and bring it up just a little out from there to give it that little bit of a line. Same thing with the other side. Okay. I feel like this is good enough for me. It's pretty nice. Just throwing it out there for everyone to see. I like it. I do. Let me finish up the rest of my makeup real quick, and then I'll be right back. Boom. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls of all ages. The Too Faced Natural Matte. Just a quick little look. And I think this is really, really nice. I mean, it's good for running errands, going to work, from that day to night kind of look. I also just love my matte, so I'm very one-sided on this. Just telling you. Also, did I mention the palette smells like sweets? I don't necessarily want to say chocolate because I'm not 100% sure, but it smells like sweets. Good stuff. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go run some errands. You enjoy the rest of your day. I will catch you next time. Bye!